Hey everybody, welcome to our Davison blog article. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And yeah, surprising, we've got Davison, a pretty well-known company out there that supports inventors. They are not a law firm, and that's one of the major differences I'm going to cover here in this quick video. But do check out the content below. We spent some time outlining as fairly as we could without having too much bias who this company is, what they're about. And it goes without saying that they've been around for, I think, 30 years. So they've been doing a lot of work. They've got to be doing something that's good, right? If they're providing enough service for inventors, supporting like 3D renderings, animations, and doing things like patent brokering services where they will help you go find a prospective buyer or licensee. Now, Bold Patents does offer the similar service, but I wanted to put this page out there because it's important that you know your options. We really believe you as the individual inventor and sometimes a solo inventor on your own, it can feel really lonely, and you've got to understand your options. So we want to lay that out as cleanly as we could. The major difference between any of these other companies, call them invention promotion companies, and our company is that we are a law firm. We have lawyers that have sworn their oath to the patent bar and to the state bar. And so they have an extra duty of care to you as an individual and to be more ethical. Okay. And so I know some of these other companies, I'm not going to say, I have had some awful stories come up where some inventors may or may not have been taken advantage of. So just be wary, be cautious, make sure you're reading through your contracts, know what you're getting into, and also make sure you're not just signing up and agreeing to something without reading. Know exactly what is ahead and what you can expect. Level set expectations are really important. So take a look at this article below, get to know who Davison is, the company that provides services for other inventors, for clients that we've served. And let me know if you have any questions. Please, if you have interest in getting started, want to know more about who we are, book a free discovery call below, click the contact button, and let us introduce ourselves to you. All right, everybody, have an awesome day out there. Go big, go bold.